The threat of Hurricane Bill approaching our area, several city beaches are now closed. That means no swimming at all until further notice. The city said it had to do something, even though the storm is hundreds of miles off. You can expect high waves, rip currents, bad conditions, leaving no choice but to keep swimmers out. My advice is follow the rules, and don't go in means don't go in.
Bo, where are you going?
Going to catch Hurricane Bill. But I'm running super late. Yeah, dude. What's up, man? Right on. Thank you, man. Oh yeah, Dell's Lemonade, Rhode Island style. What's up, man?
Dude, where are we going?
Somewhere over in Noops.
How big is it?
I don't know, man. It's gonna be big. Bigger than this place has seen in a long time.